Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to enable the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information, because here we have to find the build number. It will allow us to activate the developer options. So if you've got the build number, keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So if you've got any kind of screen lock, like the pattern PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, because the developer options are quite advanced. So after activating them, we have to get back to the general settings and scroll down again. Now let's enter developer options, and all we have to do right now is to simply scroll down to find the auto update system. Right now it is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and actually, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. And of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.